Your heart is like an engine, a marvel of biological engineering that pumps tirelessly to sustain life. Just as any engine needs fuel to run smoothly, your heart depends on a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood. This essential fuel is delivered through intricate tubes called coronary arteries that surround the heart and ensure that each part receives the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Atherosclerosis, or the accumulation of plaque in the walls of these tubes, can occur. Think of it like wood in a hose. This buildup of plaque is known as atherosclerosis. The main culprits that can cause this buildup are three: high blood pressure, too much cholesterol in the blood, and smoking. Observing these three factors can help keep your heart healthy. So how does a heart attack happen? Imagine that the blood vessels in your heart are like highways. Sometimes these highways develop a mass called a plaque, similar to a mass of cars. If this plate tears or breaks, it is like a traffic accident. The body tries to repair this accident by sending platelets, little helpers, to the site. But sometimes these helpers invade the area and form a traffic jam or clot that blocks blood flow. Without blood circulation, the parts of the heart cannot get the oxygen they need. Just like a car runs out of gas, these parts begin to fail in what we call a heart attack. If a large part of the heart is deprived of oxygen, the motor stops as if completely. That is cardiac arrest, where the heart stops completely. That is why it is so important to keep those roads to the heart clear and smooth. It is important to understand what a heart attack really feels like. It's not always as dramatic as in the movies, rather than a sudden collapse. It can start with a mild pain or discomfort in the chest that can spread to the arms, neck, or abdomen. Shortness of breath, sweating, or other unusual symptoms, such as after a marathon, are also signs to watch out for. If you or someone you know has these signs, it's important to get help quickly. Acting quickly can save a heart, just as how quickly a glass of water is emptied can prevent permanent damage. Time is of the essence. Delay can cause irreversible damage. In terms of treatment, doctors use procedures like angioplasty, which is a special lead trick for your heart to help correct problems caused by a heart attack. Stay tuned for more in my next video. Remember that when it comes to your heart, time is of the essence. Acting quickly can really mean the difference between life and death. Every minute counts in a cardiac emergency, where rapid medical intervention can restore blood flow to the heart and prevent irreversible damage. Understanding the signs and symptoms of a heart attack, from subtle pain in the chest to radiating pain in the arms or jaw, gives you the opportunity to act decisively. It's not always as dramatic as it looks in the movies. Persistent chest pain or pressure, especially with sweating or shortness of breath, requires immediate attention. If you or a loved one experiences these symptoms, call 911. If necessary, CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, can sustain life until professional help arrives. Remember that the earlier medical attention is sought, the greater the likelihood of a positive outcome. In addition to emergency measures, a heart-healthy lifestyle is paramount. Regular exercise, a balanced diet low in saturated fat and cholesterol, and effective stress management can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Regular medical checkups to monitor blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and general heart health are also important preventive measures. Regarding treatment, advances in medical technology such as angioplasty and stenting have revolutionized the treatment of heart attacks by restoring blood flow to blocked arteries and minimizing damage to the heart muscle. These activities emphasize the importance of early diagnosis and prompt action. Ultimately, your heart health is in your hands. By being aware, proactive, and vigilant about cardiovascular health, you can protect not only your own well-being, but also the well-being of your loved ones. In matters of the heart, time is truly precious. Acting quickly can be the life-saving difference needed at a critical moment.